Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be working in my holiday planner, which is also a December daily. So I'm using it for the month of October through December. And as you can see, I have the tabs here labeled now. I don't think I mentioned that before. I'm a little behind, so I'm playing catch up. I do have a video showing how I altered this composition notebook using Dollar Tree gift bags. And then on the inside, I've done some alterations with scrapbook paper, added some pockets, some dividers, and like so. And I'm also using printable inserts. Some are available in my Etsy shop, which I'll have linked in the description box below. The dated versions are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites. So I do have a link in the description box below if you would like to find out more about joining and becoming a member over on Patreon. So, and I'm just using the classic size printable inserts and gluing them in with a tape runner, dot runner, nothing fancy. And that's it. So this is what we did previously. Added the vellum, set up my November page. I did go back and add a little something on there. And I also came back and added the script from the kit that I was working with here. So let's move on to this week. This is the week that I kind of forgot to do. I kept saying I'm going to do it, and then I forgot to do it. So this is the 6th through the 12th, and I'm also still on the kick of using leftover stickers. So these are, I think, from last year from Let's Get Planned. I do have a discount code for Let's Get Planned, which will be in the description box below. Right off the bat, I see a sticker I want to use. So, because me and my son need to get together and get on this. We kind of know what we're cooking for Thanksgiving, but I'm not 100% sure yet. So let's put this here for our meal plan. Okay. And I should probably put one for groceries too. Do I need that whole thing for meal plan? I'm going to use this for groceries, and then I'll just split it up into 2 columns. I think that should work. Okay. So there's that. All right. So anyway, these grateful pieces are leftovers. This is Good Vibes Only, which is a leftover. This is from Mina's Happy Life, which is from last year. That's leftover. We got Hello Fall with these that I was intending to use in a different planner, but changed my mind. And then this is from Love and Peace. So all of these I'm going to use together to try and create a spread, along with some colorful boxes. I do have boxes of my own that are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites. However, I need to use up these books. They're falling apart. They're old. This one is from 2018. Need to use it up. And I have Seasonal Florals from CHELA Plan. I'm thinking I'm going to use this page. My pages are falling out. But this is Seasonal Florals from CHELA Plan. And then I also have my holiday sticker book, which I kind of had forgot about. It says holidays. And I'm also going to be using stickers that were designed for another purpose, like these. These were for breast cancer awareness. And I think I'm going to use maybe some of the florals and the pumpkins and the greenery. So yeah, you can use stickers that are intended for something else in other ways. Then I have all of my fall type stickers back here. These are from Fabulously Creative. I may be able to include a little bit of that. So we'll see how it goes. Okay. So I have plenty to work with. Let's see what I can come up with. I did not pull any washi tape. Don't know that I want to use any washi tape. Now that page was falling out. Now I can't find it. Here it is. Since I'll be using these big stickers, I think. Does that fit all the way across? It really does. Okay. So I think I'm overthinking. I'm just wondering, where am I going to put the pumpkins if I use the flowers at the bottom? So maybe I can use the flowers at the top. And I didn't have a lot going on this week. This is kind of going to end up being memory keeping here, because I didn't fill it in at the time. But I didn't have a lot going on, so I don't think it's going to hurt to cover up big spaces. Let's see if I can get this trimmed. So I did the best I could do with lining those up. Now let's look at the pumpkin stickers. And I want to also look at her. I think she'll be, maybe I'll put her here. All right. I'm going to use, guess I still won't be using that one with that floral. Let's use these down here. Should I put washi tape at the bottom? Did I use washi tape on everything so far? I did and I didn't. I think I'll stick with the pink on this. Let's do that. And I don't know if I'm going to go down the sidebar with washi this time. Maybe I should. So I'm going to tear that a little short there in case I decide to. I think that gives me a little more pizzazz. I may put some up at the top too, but for now, let's go ahead and deal with the pumpkins. And that is finished, except for this little flower that you really can't see. These are little flower pieces. Oh, there's a quote on here too. So I'll just go ahead and add those to my sticker book, I think. My sticker sheets. Let's see what CHELA plan. I'm shuffling through stickers. I don't like that. Stop shuffling. Let's see what other stickers I can find from CHELA plan that I may want to use. Let's go and finish this page. Do I want to put more flowers? I don't think I do. All right, let's look into some boxes. Let me see what I have in CHELA plan before I jump to something else. Actually, these are quite nice for this. I'm probably not going to use all of these, but I'm pulling them just in case. I like some light blue. Oh, I forgot I got this. So I'm definitely, probably not going to use all of what I have. So I think I'm going to use this over here as a header, since there's blue down here, but not, just a little blue here, but not quite the same thing. So I'm going to use this up here to balance. And we're not going to worry about the foil differences, if any. So I want to put her over here. But I also want to have her with a box. Let's turn it this way since I bent it. Let's do that. Nope, I like it better here. All right. So these pumpkins are different, but I still want to get them used. So I still have leftover stickers here. Let's see. Is there something I want to use from here? I like the warm and cozy and the fall in love. And then the fall in love, I think I'm going to put it here. Let's cut it apart. So you don't have to use the text in one line if you don't want to. Just cut it apart. Place it how you choose. Okay, so I didn't pull anything from my sticker book. And I feel like I need something to go with that. Just clear out some space because I get absorbed and kind of forget to pay attention to what's going on. Let's see if we can do that. Okay, so let's bring this down, kind of cover up our mistake a little bit, maybe. And then this can go here. And maybe one more. I don't think I'll need the flowers from here either. Oh, I forgot about these. Let me see how they look. I'm going to use it up here. Never really noticed that. Now I feel like these little header areas are a little naked. So maybe I should put some washi. I'm just thinking, should I have put the washi up there first? Maybe I better make it a rule again to put all my washi down first and then come back and put the stickers. I think I need to put a washi or something in the header. Okay, so I think I'm going to use this white washi with gold and silver bows. It's from Simply Gilded. It's really, really old. It's already starting to yellow, so make sure you use it before you lose it when it comes to your washi. I know it's hard when you collect because you have so much, but washi tape does go bad. A lot of people don't know that. It doesn't last forever, so I can even tell by the way it's unrolling that it's not going to last very, very much longer. So that gives us a little shimmer up top and on the bottom. I'm still torn about what I can do on these edges. I think I'm going to leave them for now. If I figure out a washi that I want to use on them, then I'll do it. But I don't feel like I want to do the edges every time like that. All right, so this is a use your leftovers spread. So I didn't put any scripts. I do have a couple of quotes here, but I will come back and fill this in and show you later what that looks like. And are you using a composition notebook for any purpose? Are you using it for a planner, journal, December daily, holiday planner? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.